I say with the kids a lot, I'm going to be some yarn and glue when I grow up because I love it so much. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're getting ready to for holidays, so we're going to make, this is a little wacky looking, I know, but we're going to make a star with yarn and glue and glitter. So we have a lot of glitter and we're trying to use it because, we all know that it's not really so great for the environment, but if we keep it in our little glue area, it doesn't escape. And that way we'll just use up what we have. So what you need is some glue, if you have some glitter, some yarn, and then I'm using a piece of plastic so I can pull it back off later. And underneath I have a piece of cardboard that I drew a star on to kind of give me a pattern. And then also I can move the star when I need to. So I can put it somewhere to dry. I'm going to take this is a brand new.
Whoa, that's
I know.
Fancy.
Oh yeah, it worked. Okay, so I'm going to trace along my lines here.
Okay.
I do really love glue. I don't know. Glue is so fun. Okay, now I'm doing 2 layers of the yarn, but I'm going to leave one kind of tall so I can make a loop when I need to.
Oh, that's good thinking, Miss Kate.
So I'm going to just sort of press this in and know that it's not going to stay exactly the way I wanted it to stay. It's not going to have perfect angles, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now I'll be able to tie those pieces together to make the loop. Okay, oh, this star is much better than my first one already. Okay, now more glue. So now I'm going to kind of go over the top of what I just did.
On top of the yarn?
On top of the yarn so that my next piece will stick. Later, this little center area is going to be a pool of glue. And who doesn't love a pool of glue? You can do whatever you want with these. That's the fun part of it. You are the artist. I'm going to add a little bit more glue on top of this just to make sure that it's really sticking because I can see that some of the glue fell over off of the yarn. And then watch the magic that's going to happen next. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in all of this with more glue because this school glue dries clear, as you know. So you can put in a lot of glue. Just note it's not going to be ready this afternoon. It's going to be ready in a few days. Now, I'm going to take some glitter. I'm going to do this. This is going to be much better. I'm going to sprinkle glitter into my glue. Okay, now I'm not going to do anything else. I'm going to put this glitter carefully back into the jar. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry. Tomorrow, though, I'm going to check it and see if I need to peel it and turn it over because the bottom side won't be dry for a while, so I'm going to have to do that. But I have to wait till it dries to do it, but I'm going to trim one of the pieces and take the other 2 and make a loop like this one here so that you can hang it up. Okay, so we'll see you next time, but if you make one, please send us a picture because we'd love to see it. All right, thanks everybody for coming. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends.